Looking for the perfect crib that grows with your baby? Introducing the Dream Cradle Pack in Play Rocking Crib, designed for comfort, convenience, and sweet dreams. With a 4.9-star rating, parents love the durability and functionality of this must-have baby essential. Choose from rocking and co-sleeper variations, with adorable designs like giraffe, elephant, bear, and kitty. Perfect for keeping your little one close and comfy. The removable full-size bassinet supports your baby's growth, while the handy diaper stacker, organizer, and toys make parenting easier than ever. Need to move it around? No problem. The one-hand locking mechanism, sturdy locking wheels, and compact fold make storage and transport a breeze. More than just a crib, the Easy Enter Player lets your toddler enjoy a fun, secure space to play and rest. Order now and give your baby the best sleep.